This little light of mine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Little lamps of the dusk, you fly low in gold when the summer evening starts to unfold, so that all the insects now before you pass will have light to see by, undressing in the grass. But when night has flowered, little lamps agleam, you fly over treetops, following a dream. Men wonder from their windows that a firefly goes so far. They do not know you're longing to be a shooting star. Fireflies by Carolyn Hall.